Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing on how you can deactivate your Facebook account permanently. So to start with, go to facebook.com and enter your email address or mobile phone number together with your password and click login. After logging into Facebook, you can see here a drop down icon. Click that drop down icon and after it click settings. After clicking settings, the default page, which is General Account Settings, will be displayed. Scroll down until you find Manage Account and click the Edit link right next to it. After clicking that link, you will be prompted with the Deactivate Your Account section here. Click the Deactivate Your Account link to continue. After that, you will be prompted to enter your password. Click Continue. Facebook would like to know the reason why you're leaving or why you're deactivating your account. So you have here default reason codes from Facebook. You also have here please explain further field. This field is not necessary, but you can enter your comments here and you can leave it as blank as well. You may tick email opt out so you can still receive emails or email invitations from Facebook. You can also click keep using Messenger so that you can still use Messenger while you deactivate your Facebook account. After it, you will need to click the activate button. After clicking deactivate, you will be prompted with this message. Are you sure you want to deactivate your Facebook account? If you're sure right now, then you just need to click deactivate now. So the activation of your Facebook account is successful. You will see this message. Your account has been deactivated. So you'll be navigated back to the login page. So that's it for today. Click subscribe button below to continue to watch our videos for this channel. Thanks and goodbye.